US dollar index this week has made a bullish breakout. We can see that the price has formed this strong bullish candle and going above 104.22, and the next day candle has been formed above, which means this bullish breakout has been validated. But the next 2 days, on the Thursday and the Friday, we can see that the price returned back down all the way to this support level and did not close below, which means this is a support level that is very important for the price currently, and the price could not return back down, which means the buyers are not preventing the price, and there is a potential that the price could move again to higher price levels. But we can see on the Friday, where the price tried to move up with this strong wick, the price turned back down, which means something is preventing the price from reaching higher price levels. Continue this bullish breakout, and then we can see also the bulls who are preventing the price from going down, which means some kind of indecision area right here at this current price level. On the weekly time frame, this means that the price has formed this candle body but did not close above 104.22, at least not visible here on the weekly time frame, which is a very important level. And we can see on the monthly time frame, this looks a bullish candle, which is right here on the verge. Will it go above or it will stay below? Very important level, 104.22 is in front of the price, and we have 2 more weeks until this month ends. Will the price manage to go above, which will mean that the price has formed a bullish breakout that could trigger the price returning back up and reaching higher price levels. If the price makes a breakout on the monthly time frame, we will see that the next level where the price could stop is 104.95, which means around 105 as a round number. And if it stays below that, it will be fight between the buyers and the sellers on the monthly time frame, which means we will see the price bouncing around this one here. But for any details, we need to go to the weekly and the daily time frame, which are much more clearly visible what could be the next targets. Now we can see that on the weekly time frame, we need the price to go above, and then the price could reach again 105.00, a very round number, which is the next target on the weekly time frame. Now if the price goes above closing the next week above, this will mean a bullish breakout, which will need be validated with the week after that in order to see the price going even higher. Now if the price goes below this one, which is below 103.96, this will mean that this bullish momentum has been cancelled and we could see the price going down. But for more details, we need to go here on the daily time frame. Now we can see 103.97 is a very important level. This is the lower side currently of this demand zone, which is a support level. And if the price makes a breakout below that, this will mean a trigger and the price could reach lower side, which means 103.20. On the upper side, we can see that currently the price is on the upper side and did not make a breakout to the downside. So I'm still open to see the price going up to see higher price levels. And the first one is 104.99, which is 105 as a round number. We have seen that level on the weekly and the monthly time frame. So for now, as it looks, we need to see what the price will do at the current price level, and the price is inside this uptrend channel currently forming, and it has gone outside. So this is some kind of a confluence of support level that will prevent the price from moving down. But for now we will see what happens, because the price has made a breakout outside of this uptrend channel and did not return back up. We can see it here. The previous this trend line has acting as a support level, it has been broken, and on the Friday it has been confirmed as a resistance. So currently we have here a horizontal support level that needs to be confirmed what will happen in the next step. If the breakout happens on the lower side or the upper side, I will share that inside the Telegram group. The Telegram group has members where I'm sharing the daily analysis when the breakout happens and what could be the potential next target on the price. So if you would like to check that, feel free to check the link below in the description. So for now, this is all for the weekly analysis. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!